Hi everyone, let's install VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player download. You see videolan.org. Click this one. Download VLC. Click this triangle. Expand it. My Windows is 64-bit. I select this one. My download is started. We have to wait to finish. Okay. That's my file. I've just downloaded. Just right click. Run as administrator. From here you can select the language. I selected English. Okay. Next. 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 Install. Finish. Continue. Good. Now you can open a media, for example. For example, I have this MP4. It's one of my videos.
Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a simple trick.
That's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.